Hi everyone, welcome back to the Peach Apron. Today we are diving into the vibrant world of South Indian cuisine with a timeless classic, Aviyal. Aviyal is a traditional mixed vegetable dish that is super delicious, which has a harmonious blend of various vegetables cooked with coconut. So let's get started to see how to make an authentic Aviyal in your own kitchen. To start with, we are going to cut some vegetables. I have taken one drumstick, cut lengthwise and split into half. Next, I have taken 10 to 11 cluster beans and cut it evenly. Here I have taken a piece of yam and cut it into even pieces lengthwise. Next, I have taken 5 ivy gourds and cut it evenly lengthwise. Here I have 1 carrot peeled, cut into thin, long, even strips. Next, I have taken a piece of pumpkin and I have removed the skin and cut into even strips. Next, I have taken snake gourd. I have scraped off the skin and cut it lengthwise into even strips. Here I have taken a piece of Malabar cucumber. I have removed the skin and also removed the seeds and cut it lengthwise into even strips. Next, I have taken 12 beans cut into even pieces. Next, I have taken a potato, peeled the skin and cut into thin, long, even strips. Dip the cut pieces in water for some time so that the potato strips don't turn brown and retain its color. Finally, I have taken 1 raw banana, cut it into thin, even strips. Dip the strips in water to avoid it from turning brown. Try to cut all the vegetables in the same length. This is a traditional practice and it adds to the visual appeal by creating a pleasing pattern of colors. Now let's start cooking. In a big pot, add enough coconut oil to cook all the vegetables. I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Try to use only coconut oil for cooking this dish as it gives a very authentic taste and elevates the traditional flavors of this dish. To the oil, I have added 1 broken red chili. It's time to add all the chopped vegetables. If you ask me, this is the best part. Look at all the vibrant colors of the vegetables. It's truly captivating. Give it a good mix. Be gentle while stirring the vegetables to ensure all the vegetables get an even coat of the coconut oil. Add 1 slit green chili and give it a quick stir. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Mix it well so that the turmeric powder is well incorporated with all the vegetables. Here I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder. This is optional, but I do recommend that you add it. It brings out a beautiful flavor to the dish. It's time to add salt. Add salt as per your taste and mix well. I have avoided using vegetables which have a strong flavor like capsicums. The blended flavors of the vegetables used in this recipe brings out a unique savory flavor. Cover and cook. Reduce the heat to a low flame. Give an intermittent stir. Add few spoons of water to ensure all the vegetables cook evenly. Give it a good mix. Cover and continue to cook for a few more minutes on a low flame. In the meantime, while the vegetables are cooking, let's prepare a coarse coconut-based mixture. I have taken 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 3 green chilies roughly chopped, few curry leaves, and 2 cups of grated coconut. Just give these ingredients a quick pulse in the mixie grinder to get a coarse texture. Do not try to make it into a paste. Adding a coarse mixture to the vegetables gives a lovely texture to the dish. Let's see if all the vegetables are cooked partially. Take a piece of yam or a potato and give it a gentle cut with the help of a spoon. The vegetables should be partially cooked and there should be a bit of a bite to the vegetables. So now our vegetables are cooked partially. It's time to add the coarse mixture. Give it a thorough mix. Add very little water. Cover and cook for a few more minutes. Give a quick stir. Add a few curry leaves. Adding curry leaves not only helps with flavoring the dish but also gives out a lovely warm aroma. Here I am adding 2 heaped tablespoons of yogurt. Adding yogurt gives a bit of a tang to the dish. Make sure the yogurt does not have any lumps. If you do not want to add yogurt, you can substitute by adding few pieces of raw mangoes and cook along with the vegetables. To finish off, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of coconut oil and give it a good mix. Switch off the flame immediately after adding coconut oil. Adding coconut oil will leave a beautiful flavor and blend excellently with all the flavors of the vegetables. Aviyal is all prepared and ready to be served. Serve the aviyal with traditional South Indian steamed rice. A traditional dish from the state of Kerala, this dish is an amazing blend of various vegetables. The medley of tastes and textures will leave you wanting for more. It's time to taste this beautiful dish. Combining a basket full of vegetables and a handful of spices with coconut results in the creation of this incredible traditional dish. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with yet another delicious recipe. Bye for now.